Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to cancel your ESPN Plus subscription. So if you no longer want to continue your membership or stop future payments, just follow along. First, open the ESPN website or ESPN app and log into your account. Next, go to your account settings and look for the subscriptions or manage subscription option. Then open your ESPN Plus subscription details. Now select the option to cancel your subscription. Then follow the instructions and confirm the cancellation. And one thing you need to keep in mind is that your subscription usually stays active until the end of your current billing period. So you can continue watching until then. And if you subscribe through another service like Apple, Google Pay, or a TV provider, you may need to cancel it through that platform instead. So that was how to cancel ESPN Plus subscription. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.